Hey guys, welcome to BIM Easy. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get your shared parameter txt file back if you have lost or misplaced it. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, this is a dummy project. I have created some shared parameters in it. As you can see, group A parameter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here is the location of the shared parameter text file. Let me show you in the file explorer. So this is the location of the text file. As you can see, this is a text document. Also, I have used those shared parameters in my project. So if you go to project parameters from over here, you can see parameter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all over here used as project parameters. If you hover your mouse over your parameters, you can see shared parameter written. This is how you identify whether a parameter is a project parameter or a shared parameter. Now what happens when this text document of the shared parameters gets deleted or gets missed? Let me delete this. Now when I go in Revit and try to create another shared parameter using the same text file, it will give me a warning like this that this file does not exist. This means that I cannot use the same text document for creating more shared parameters, or I cannot bring some shared parameters from this text file to my Revit project anymore. Now what we will do, we will create a new text document where we will export all of our shared parameters from this project. Hit on close, click on create, give a name to your new .txt file and click on save. Okay, now we will click on OK. Now how to export your existing shared parameters from this project. To do that, you have to go to project parameters, click on the parameter, go to edit, and here you will see the option of export. Just click on export and it is saying that it will be exported. Click on OK and click on OK. Let's do it for another parameter also, parameter 02. Click on it, click on edit, click on export, OK, click on OK. Now let me show you the txt file. So this is the new txt file that we have created. I'll open it. As you can see, I have exported parameter 1 and parameter 2 in this particular txt file. Now when I click on shared parameters, it will recognize the new text file and it will recognize the two parameters that we have exported. Also you may notice that the parameter group, previously it was group A, now it is exported parameters. So this can be changed whenever we like by creating new groups and moving the parameters from one group to another. One also thing you might have noticed that I was exporting the parameters one by one. So this is a very tedious task. What if I wanted to transfer all of my parameters from one project to another project? So there is another efficient way to do that. I will show you now. So guys, I have opened a new project now. As you can see here, our existing project is this one, BIM Easy. Now I'll go to the new project whose name is project 1. Okay, what we will do, we will go to manage and there is an option over here of transferring project standards. You have to just click on it and it will identify the project you want to transfer it from. The only condition is that both the projects should be open. We will check none and we will scroll down to project parameters. Click on project parameters and then click on OK. Now the parameters are transferred. When you go to project parameter, you can see all 5 parameters have been transferred from the other project. So this is another efficient way to do it. But let us say you want to add more shared parameters like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and you don't have the text file. Then you have to follow the first solution which I gave you. Okay guys, so that was it from my side. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel because I'm going to bring more Revit hacks like this for you. Thank you so much for watching.